Hey besties, it's Blowin' Coupons, and this week we are doing CVS online deals starting May 17th. Now before you check out, go in your CVS app and clip your coupons first, because that's what's going to bring these totals down. And make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to show you my full couponing haul and breakdown of what I actually paid. My full printable list will be in the description box. First deal, Colgate toothpaste. Grab 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpastes. They are part of the deal where you buy 2 and get $4 back in extra bucks. Clip the $3 off $2 Colgate digital coupon. Your out-of-pocket after the coupon should be $4.98, then you get back $4 extra bucks. So after rewards, that makes it $0.98 for both, or only $0.49 each. Next deal, Crest toothpaste. Grab 2 Crest 3D white toothpastes. CVS has them buy 2, get $4 extra bucks. Clip the $3 off to their Crest, Oral-B, or Scope digital coupon. You'll pay $7 out of pocket, then get back $4 extra bucks. So after rewards, it's like paying $3 for both, or $1.50 each. Now let's get into hair care. Garnier Whole Blends is a good one. Grab 2 Garnier Whole Blends shampoos or conditioners. They are buy 2, get $3 extra bucks. Clip the $3 off $2 Garnier Whole Blends digital coupon. You'll pay $6 out of pocket, then get back $3 extra bucks. So after rewards, it's $3 for both, or $1.50 each. Next is L'Oreal Elvive. Grab 2 L'Oreal Elvive shampoos or conditioners. They are buy 2, get $3 extra bucks. Clip the $3 off $2 L'Oreal Elvive digital coupon. Your out-of-pocket is $8, then you get back $3 extra bucks. So after rewards, it comes down to $5 for both, or $2.50 each. Next deal is OGX Hair Care. Grab 2 OGX shampoos or hair products. They are buy 1, get 1 40% off. Plus, when you buy 2, you get $2 extra bucks. Clip the $6 off 2 OGX digital coupon. You'll pay around $7.26 out of pocket, then get back $2 extra bucks. So after rewards, it's $5.26 for both, or about $2.63 each. Now, if you want a bigger hair care haul, do this scenario. Grab 2 L'Oreal Elvive, 2 OGX, 2 Garnier Whole Blends, and 2 Monday hair products. That's 8 hair care items total. Clip the $10 off $40 hair care coupon, plus the matching digital coupons. $6 off 2 OGX, $3 off 2 L'Oreal, $3 off 2 Garnier, and $3 off 2 Monday. Your out-of-pocket should be around $17.99, and you get back $8 extra bucks. So after rewards, that makes it $9.99 for 8 items, or about $1.25 each. That is a really good stock-up deal. Next deal, Axe deodorant. Grab 2 Axe antiperspirant deodorants. They are buy 2, get $4 extra bucks. Clip the $6 off 2 Axe digital coupon. You'll pay $6.58 out of pocket, then get back $4 extra bucks. So after rewards, it's $2.58 for both, or $1.29 each. Next is the Schick and Skintimate razor deal. Grab 1 Skintimate disposable razor pack and 1 Schick disposable razor pack. They are buy 2, get $4 extra bucks. Clip the $3 off 1 Schick or Skintimate digital coupon. Your out-of-pocket should be $11, then you get back $4 extra bucks. So after rewards, it's $7 for both, or $3.50 each. Now let's do vitamins. Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin and Nails Gummies are on a buy 1, get 1 free deal. Grab 2 Nature's Bounty vitamins. 1 rings up free, then clip the $5 off 2 Nature's Bounty digital coupon. Your final cost after coupon should be around $6.30 for both, or $3.15 each. There are no extra bucks on this one, but it's still a good online deal if you use vitamins. And last, we have the Tide and Downy laundry deal. Grab 1 Tide liquid detergent, 1 Tide Pods, and 1 Downy Unstoppables. This is part of a spend $25, get $5 extra bucks deal. Clip the $3 Tide liquid coupon, the $1 Tide Pods coupon, and the $2 Downy coupon. Your out-of-pocket should be around $19.47, then you get back $5 extra bucks. So after rewards, it's like paying $14.47 for all 3, or about $4.82 each. So besties, that is the breakdown. Remember, your total may be a little different depending on your store, your CVS account, and taxes, but the key is to clip your coupons first. Check that they attach and roll those extra bucks into your next deal. Now let me show you how my couponing haul
So
went.
here's my couponing haul from CVS. But before I get in the haul, I just wanted to let you know about the changes that's going on with my channel. So I do have a couponing AI avatar. Check my channel. It seemed like the last time I posted was a year ago. It don't even seem like it's been that long. So I'm starting to upload YouTube videos again. I try to find a more efficient and quicker way to get the deals out to you. So for me, bringing on an AI avatar was the best decision I made. So basically the AI avatar just explains the deals to you. So it also has like a deal list. So if you need the deal list, it's in the description. Or if you comment, I'll send you the deal list. So I'm still behind the channel. This is still me. I have a little cold today, but this is still me. My AI avatar just explains the deals. And then I go and do the deals. And then I do my haul and tell you what went wrong. So, I hope you all enjoy the AI avatar. I haven't left y'all. I'm still here. Because someone asked, am I going to do videos again? And I'm like, yeah, I just do them at the end. So this is my coupon and haul for CVS. If you did look at the deals list for CVS, before we get into this deal, if you did look at the deals list for CVS, it's just one change that I had to make to the deals list because it didn't work when I got in store, but everything else worked. So that's another thing. For the deals list, it's just like anything else. Some things might work and some things might not work. So it's just one thing that did not work, and I'll explain to that. I'll explain that in 1 second, okay? So before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So since I haven't been couponing, I don't have nothing, y'all. When I say nothing, I don't got nothing. So when I went in there to do the Colgate deal, I got 2 Colgate masks for $3.99. So my total was $8 out of pocket, and I got back $4, making my out of pocket $4 for the Colgate Max or $2 for each one. Now, originally I would have never got that, but I got to start building this account back up. So my out of pocket is going to be high for this haul until I can start building my extra bucks back up. Okay, I did the Nature's Bounty deal, which is a good deal. It's buy one, get one free. I was looking for the cheapest ones. The vitamin C with zinc is the cheapest ones. They are, that I had in my store, they were actually $8.79. Buy one, get one free. And no coupon, no extra bucks back. So both of them came up to about $8, so about $4 a piece for the vitamin C with zinc. Did the Axe deal. Okay, so with the Axe deal, I have my $6 off coupon still. So make sure you clip that first. They were buy one, buy two, get a $4 extra care buck. These are at my store for $6.99 a piece, so $7. So $14 out of pocket. Took the $6 off, making it $8 out of pocket. And then I got it back a $4 extra buck, making these about $2 out of pocket after the extra buck. Then I did the spend $40, get a $10 instant coupon. Yeah, this thing go right for me. Okay, so I do like all these products, and I do need some more. I never thought I was going to be able to run out of conditioner, but I'm actually out of conditioner. I got a bunch of shampoo, no conditioner. So I got mostly conditioner. I like the Maui. The Maui still have my coupon on there for, so I still have my Maui coupon for $4. So the Maui is on sale this week. Buy one, $8.99, 40% off. Okay? This was all included in the deal. I got the Monday. These are the cheapest ones. The Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. These only $5.49. It was buy one, get one half off for the Monday leave-in conditioner. So $5.49 and half off, which is $2.25, $2.75. Cheapest products, and they're included in the spend $40, get a $10 extra care buck. This is where I went wrong. The Garnier Fructis is not included in the deal. The Garnier Fructis is 2 for $9. I didn't have that coupon anymore. I don't know where it went. Oh, let me go back. Monday has a coupon also for $2. So $5.49, $2.25, and then a $2 coupon off of that if you have a coupon still. The Garnier Fructis was 2 for $9. I didn't have a coupon for this. This is not included in the deal. So if you're looking at my deals list, the Garnier Fructis is not included. What I should have did was got 4 of these, because these is the cheapest product included in the deal. And then I would have been at $40 if I just would have got 4 of these, because these come out to be $7.75, and on one of them, if you get 4 of them, you're gonna get a $2 back coupon. I mean, you're gonna get a $2 off coupon. So the Monday Moisture Leave-In and Conditioner, that's the best deal because it's buy one get one half off, and these are only $5.49. So this is where I went wrong. I didn't get my instant $10 off coupon because I put the Garnier in the deal. OGX, so anytime OGX goes on sale, I grab OGX. These are on sale, buy one get one 40% off. So these OGX is expensive. So this one was $8.99, $49 a piece. So $7.49, $7.49. So that's $15 out of pocket for these 2 OGX. Then I still have my 6 off 2 coupon, $7.49 and $4.26. So $7.49, $4.26. Then I had a $6 off 2 coupon that took that off, and that was it. So look, for the shampoo deal, if these 2 would have been them 2, I would have got the $10 off. But since I didn't, I ended up paying a lot out of pocket. So my out of pocket, oh, I had a $4 extra buck from the Colgate that I did. I rolled it into this deal. So I paid $26 out of pocket for this, y'all. I almost want to fall out. $26. Out of the $26, I didn't get the $10 off, but I did get the $3 for the Garnier Fructis. Back a total of $7 out of $26, making my out of pocket like $19. Yeah, $19 for 2, 4, 6, 8 bottles of shampoo. And again, this stuff is high, but yeah, $18 for that, nah. But my haul, I knew my haul was going to be a lot because I haven't been couponing. So your very first haul is going to be more than anything. Your very first haul is always going to be more. So that's how my haul went. Make sure you tune in for all the deals. Again, my AI avatar is just doing the deals for me, explaining the deals to you, and I'll come with the couponing haul, okay? So make sure you all subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry, I'm sick, y'all, so I'm trying to get through this. So make sure you all subscribe to my channel, and let me know what y'all got from CVS. It's blowing coupons, and I'm out.